Hello and welcome to the channel. Be sure to share, like, and comment down below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for daily videos on news and politics. Sarah Carter reports that Mueller's right-hand man accused of corrupt legal practices caught withholding evidence in major case. Now, Special Counsel Robert Mueller's right-hand man, Andrew Weissmann, was accused of using corrupt legal practices and withholding evidence in a previous case involving the Colombo crime family, reports Fox News contributor Sarah A. Carter. Carter goes on to report, says the top attorney in Robert Mueller's special counsel office was reported to the Department of Justice Inspector General by a lawyer representing whistleblowers for alleged corrupt legal practices nearly a decade before the 2016 presidential election, this reporter has learned. Now, civil rights and criminal defense attorney David Schoen was the lawyer who reported Weissmann. Schoen met with the Inspector General Michael Horowitz and several FBI officials to discuss Weissmann in 2015. The case against the Colombo crime family in the late 1990s involved Theodore Persico, who was convicted of conspiracy to commit murder, loan sharking, racketeering, and firearms charges. Now, Persico was the brother of Colombo boss Carmine Persico Jr., and the network was one of 5 major Italian mafia organizations operating out of New York. Now, the judge who handled many of the cases ruled that the jury should be told of their involvement with the crime families, and many of the defendants were found not guilty. So for the DOJ to claim that this was cumulative or material to the defense is really unfair and misleading, stated Schoen. Now, the FBI had to redo their whole guidelines on the use of informants over this, said Schoen. Weissmann and crew did not just withhold evidence, they actively allowed a mafia killer to remain on the street killing. Now, Paul Sperry of the New York Post reported last month that Weissmann is under investigation for media leaks. He went on to say that Congress is investigating Mueller's pit bull investigator Andrew Weissmann for media leaks. Now, Weissmann held an April 11th private presser with major media a week before CNN, WAPO, the New York Times reported FISA on page bolstered by Dossier. Weissmann attended Hillary's election night party in New York City, tweeted Sperry. Now, according to the Wall Street Journal, Weissmann attended Hillary Clinton's election night party in New York City. Now, it goes on to say here, I am so proud, Mr. Weissmann wrote in the subject line of an email, which was released by the conservative group Judicial Watch. Mr. Weissmann also attended Hillary Clinton's election night party at the Jacob K. Javits Center in New York, according to people familiar with his attendance, and that was tweeted out by Cigar and Jetty. So be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I apologize about my voice in this one, but let's make America great again. Peace.